Breaking repetition. Harnessing feedback to enhance your writing. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to tackle a critical aspect of writing: avoiding repetition. One effective way to do this is by using feedback to identify repetitive elements. Let's dive in and learn more about this. Feedback plays a crucial role in enhancing our writing. It serves as a mirror that reflects our work from a different perspective. By using feedback, we can identify repetitive elements that we might have overlooked. Repetition can make our writing monotonous and decrease its impact. We often use repetition unintentionally because, as writers, we're too close to our work to see it. That's where feedback becomes our best tool. Now let's talk about the types of feedback that can help us spot repetition. 1. Peer review. Having a colleague or friend review your work can provide valuable feedback. They can pinpoint words or phrases you're overusing. 2. Mentor or expert review. Receiving feedback from a mentor or a language expert gives you professional insights. They can suggest synonyms, antonyms, or more efficient structures to avoid redundancy. 3. Self-review. Rereading your work after a break allows you to view your writing more objectively. You can better spot repetitive patterns when you're refreshed. Using feedback effectively is an art. Here's how to master it. 1. Be open. Embrace feedback. Don't resist it. Remember, feedback is here to make your writing better. 2. Analyze repetitive elements. Identify the repetitive words or phrases. Understand why you use them repeatedly. Was it due to a limited vocabulary? Or, were you trying to emphasize a point? 3. Seek solutions. After understanding why repetition occurred, seek ways to solve it. Use synonyms, antonyms, or rephrase your sentences. 4. Revise and edit. Implement the changes in your writing. Revise and edit your work until the repetition is eliminated and your message remains intact. And that's a wrap. Remember, feedback is a powerful tool in the battle against repetition. It gives us a fresh perspective on our work, enabling us to enhance our writing. So, seek feedback, analyze it, and use it effectively to make your writing more engaging and powerful. Happy writing, and see you in the next video.